If you've forgotten your Wish password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Wish Apple website. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you're on the official platform to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the Apple website, navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Reset Password and click on it. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Wish account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Wish. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Wish account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for further assistance.